right, we are back at our big old historic house today. Drew's running the sander on these old floors, trying to get up at least the bad spots, the worst spots in the floor. Some of these that obviously aren't in the traffic area, we're just gonna leave. And getting up all the baddies. Yeah, safety first, right? Safety first! They already did I'll show you all this stuff. Behind the curtain. Did this out here yesterday. Got it cleaned up, trying to mitigate as much dust as possible. Anyway, that's what we're working on.